Hi guys, I'm Sylvia, sales manager from Abehair. Welcome back to our channel. And when our customers place an order, they always ask the question, why do they need to wait for our factory to make the hair? And so in this video, I will answer that question and send you more information about our factory. Actually, there are many reasons why our factory needs a certain amount of time to produce your hair. Firstly, Abehair is one of the biggest and most well-known hair company in Vietnam, so the number of orders is very large. You can also watch the video introducing our factory on YouTube channel. Our factory and our workers always try to produce continuously to meet customers' demand. Another important reason is that if we produce a big quantity of hair and stock them in the factory in a long time, it will reduce the quality of hair. We would like to send you the highest quality, so we don't keep hair in stock. It also prevents the hair from drying out when being left in storage for a long time. I also would say that most factories in Vietnam are manufacturing in this way, just very few ones that stock their products. We commit our hair is 100% Vietnamese human hair, very soft, smooth and shiny, and easy to make style. Our prices are very affordable with the quality of our products. It's clear that waiting for our factory is the best way for you to get the highest quality. So our production takes around 1 week to produce your hair. If you order curly hairstyles like pinky, frizzy and light colors like blonde, red, blue, green, the time it takes for our company to produce the hair will definitely be longer. About shipping, delivery time depends on the distance as well as some policies of your country. Delivery time will be quite fast via UPS, DHL or FedEx. About the main reasons why it takes time for our factory to produce the hair, if you are looking for the reliable wholesale vendor, please contact us. We will send you the highest quality hair with the affordable price. And if you have any question, please contact us via WhatsApp here. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you later.